My name is Madame Tanya Sheely, and I'm the principal of the elementary division here at CFIS. Our approach to learning is quite individualized for the students. So we really like to look at where the students are at, set goals for them, and work from there. We try and look at that in an interdisciplinary approach. So we try and not just always have our subjects in these nice, tidy little boxes, but rather we like to integrate them and teach them together. So French and science and social studies would be integrated, and the teachers look at the different objectives within a project and not necessarily in silos. So they can be working on a project, and within that project, in terms of their curricular outcomes, they're hitting so many different objectives at the same time. And also it's putting into application what they've learned. So for example, in French class, when we're learning grammar and spelling and those technical things, which are really important, we can take those and now apply them in our other subjects. Science and social studies, even our maths can come in there. So they can see that it's not just about doing grammar in a grammar lesson, but it's to use when we're doing our work. In our classrooms, our teachers are really great about doing some little pre-assessments to see where kids are at, or even out of their interest, and giving them those higher level questions, those critical thinking type questions that they can work on. Sometimes they might be doing the same project as their classmates, but without their classmates even knowing, they've got a few extra questions and things that they're delving a little bit deeper into. There's a lot of small group and individualized work that'll happen. Of course, there's large group instruction as well, but for the teachers to really know where students are at and what they've understood, they'll often take them to a small group at the table and be doing things like math games, guided reading, or just reteaching a lesson if they need to. And if they still need a little bit extra and dive a little deeper, that's typically when we go to our learning strategists. So our learning strategists don't look at the content as such as in French or in math. They actually look at learning and how we learn and how some students learn differently. Our teachers do also go in and do some team teaching. So it's built into their schedules that during some of their specialist time, they'll go into a colleague's classroom and now they're in there doing certain lessons or activities or projects. And because they've planned together, it's really easy for them just to slide in, know what's happening, and help out students that might need help. It is not uncommon to see when you're walking down the hallways our teachers holding the young ones' hands, or kids rushing in to tell their teacher something so special that maybe happened at home or their hockey game at night. They really take the time to get to know the students, not just within the walls here, but outside. What interests them? What do we know about their family? Little ones always want to tell us about their pets, and it's important to them. We offer clubs here at CFIS. So right from grade 1 to grade 6, we've incorporated clubs into our daily schedule. Teachers will offer choice activities during that time, and the students will get to go online or talk to their teachers and choose which activity and club they want to do. The nice advantage there is the ideas and suggestions for the clubs come from the students. And then of course the teachers will pick up the ones that they are also interested in and to offer those to the students. So really it is about the group of students that year and what they're interested in. Our academics here at CFIS are really important, and we're really proud of how our kids do in those areas. But within the phys ed and art and music and just the cultural experiences in Spanish, it just gives them a different outlet to shine. It gives them different experiences. Our specialist classes gives them a different opportunity to shine in a different way.